Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today we're gonna clean up and maintain the Peter Rassenti Nirvana 3.0. This is a large one. And this is a pretty straightforward process, guys. You're gonna need, let me see if you need two. No, there's one T15 for the pivot screw right over there. And that's it. That's all you need to have in order to disassemble this beauty right over here. That's the pivot. So just like that, and pull out the blade like so, and you're done, guys. This is how simple this is. Just alcohol swab in, you just clean this area right over here, clean the tang of the blade, clean the sharpening choil. This is done. And then you just clean your bearing. One, clean the other bearing. Two, clean this guy over here like so. And just clean also the other side of the pivot. Just, we don't need to take it out. Let's see if the pivot collar wants to come out. It's all right. We don't really need to clean to take it out. Just like that. You know what? We can clean these grooves because sometimes there's some dust, some little lint particles getting there. You can also clean this side. This is, by the way, guys, Mokutai integral handle. Just gorgeous. Truly, truly gorgeous. I mean, look at this, how beautiful this is, guys. This is incredible. Very, very simple to maintain. So basically we are done. We are just gonna need some nano oil. So this guy can stay like so. So for this one, you just want to do just a little bit of nano oil right over here. Take your bearing in, flip the blade, bearing in. This is like that. And this one, just release the lock bar and just slide this in like so. All right. And you are done, because this guy can be, let's say, from the back. Yes. Like this, just release that and like so. The pivot will slide in. Just be gentle. You have to align it. Yeah, perfect. So this is snapped in place. Beautiful. So let's take just a little bit of blue Loctite over here like this, just to coat the inside of the thread, and boom, and we are in business. You can tighten this all the way down, okay, and then you can just use some heavier weight nano oil. Identify where is the ball, the detent ball, sorry, which is there, and then just rub it. Check blade centering, it's perfect. This might, let's see, no, there's some blade play. No blade play. Oh yeah, baby, we're in business. Look at this beautiful action, guys. Oh, the sound, the action, just superb. there you have it. This is how you maintain your Peter Rassenti Nirvana 3.0. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.